Imagine waking up one day only to realize that half of your life has slipped away, not because of time, but because your mind was never truly present. You were there, but not really there, lost in thoughts, distractions, and endless worries. Are you truly living in the present moment? Or is your mind trapped in regrets of the past and worries about the future? Buddhism teaches us that suffering comes from attachment to our thoughts, our fears, and our desires. But there is a way out, a way to break free, a way to live fully, deeply, and powerfully in the now. And it starts with one simple yet profound practice: mindfulness. Welcome to the Mind Forges, the place where philosophy meets real-life transformation. If you're ready to discover the art of mindfulness and unlock the power of the present moment, stay with me. By the end of this video, you'll have practical tools to master your mind and reshape your reality. Let's begin. Section 1. Understanding mindfulness. Mindfulness is the practice of being fully present, fully aware of where you are and what you're doing, without being overly reactive or overwhelmed by what's happening around you. Imagine this. You're eating your favorite meal, but instead of tasting every bite, feeling the texture and truly experiencing the flavors, you're lost in thought, worrying about a deadline, replaying a conversation, thinking about what's next. That's how most of us live, disconnected from the present. The Buddha taught that suffering arises when our mind clings to the past or anxiously anticipates the future. The solution? Awareness. When we train our mind to stay in the present, we reclaim control over our emotions, our decisions, and ultimately, our life. Section 2. Why we struggle to be present. You might be thinking, okay, mindfulness sounds great, but why is it so hard? The answer is simple. Our minds are wired to wander. A Harvard study found that a wandering mind is not just common, it's actually making us unhappy. The research shows that people are less happy when their minds are elsewhere, even if they're thinking about something pleasant. In short, distraction steals your happiness. Studies show that nearly 47% of the time, we are not paying attention to what we're doing. That's almost half of our lives spent somewhere else, missing what's right in front of us. Social media, constant notifications, the pressure to be productive, all of this pulls us away from the now. But here's the truth. You will never find peace in the future. You will never change the past. The only place life is happening is here and now. Section 3. How to practice mindfulness daily. So how do you cultivate mindfulness in your daily life? Here are 3 simple but powerful techniques. Mindful breathing. Your breath is your anchor. Take a deep breath in, hold it, and slowly release. When your mind starts to drift, gently bring your attention back to your breath. This simple act trains your brain to return to the present. Sensory awareness. Wherever you are, pause. Notice the details, the colors around you, the sounds in the distance, the feeling of the air on your skin. The more you train yourself to observe, the more alive you become. Mindful actions. Whatever you do, do it fully. Whether it's eating, walking, or even washing dishes, give it your full attention. Feel the textures, notice the motions, engage with reality as it unfolds. Section 4. The transformational power of mindfulness. Mindfulness isn't just about feeling good, it's a superpower. When you master the art of presence, you reduce stress and anxiety, enhance focus and productivity, strengthen relationships, make better decisions, experience true inner peace. Think about the most powerful leaders, thinkers, and innovators. They all share one trait, an unshakable presence. When you are fully present, you are at your strongest, your smartest, and your most creative. Now ask yourself, are you ready to take back control of your mind? Here's my challenge for you. For the next 24 hours, practice mindfulness in everything you do. When you eat, truly taste your food. When you walk, feel each step. When you talk, Listen fully. Then, come back and tell me in the comments, how did it change your day? Start today, right now. Take one deep breath. Feel the air fill your lungs. Exhale slowly, and remember, life is happening now. Don't miss it. If this message resonated with you, let me know in the comments. What's one thing you'll start doing mindfully today? And if you want more content like this, wisdom that transforms your mind and life, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's forge a mind that is powerful, present, and unstoppable. Life is happening now. The past is a memory. The future is a dream. But this moment, this is where your power lies. Choose to live it fully. This is the Mind Forgers. See you in the next video.